Recently, while studying the pattern by which a current of luck comes to me, I also encountered the phenomenon that as soon as I start to defend myself or become cautious, luck leaves me. This happens all the time. Luck does not favor the cautious, to the point where lectures about energy damage and building up a protective layer actually attract the world's negativity to me, and I start to feel ill, as if I'm shrinking. It's simply that luck turns away from you, and you begin to perceive the world as nothing but a bundle of negativity, and my body craves expansion. Is it possible that my personal approach is not to fear anything? I work with the gods of nature. Yes, without a doubt, of course. Working with the gods and spirits of nature requires complete openness, dissolution, and unity with reality, and under no circumstances should you set any boundaries. Simply don't use this technique, or only use it to establish protection in the human world, for example, and only when there is a large gathering of aggressive people. And in all other cases, of course not. And every time you use this technique, if you need it, afterwards apologize, ask forgiveness from the spirits of nature, from the spirits of the place, explaining that you had to close yourself off from everyone and state the reason. Bring offerings, gifts. I believe that they will forgive you, or they will strengthen your inner protection in such a way that you might actually need it, or they will try to give you a kind of luck that will steer you away from aggressively minded beings, such as, well, people.